Ready?
Yeah.
Today we're talking about my favorite thing, the leather jacket and how to wear it. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. Just remember, before we head into this video, if you guys like these videos, to hit that subscribe button down below. It's red, and I will show up in your mailbox, and we will hang out every Thursday. Give it a thumbs up and a comment if you love it. Let's go. Look number 1, the vegan leather moto jacket. This one I got in London last year at Fashion Week, but I just want to tell you my everyday go-to look with a leather jacket is a white t-shirt. I throw on a pair of jeans and a pair of booties. I have like 3 different pairs of studded booties, a ton of skinny jeans. These ones I haven't worn in a while. I love them. They're from Anin Bing. White t-shirt, jacket. Classic, easy. For me, this is like my everyday outfit. I switch up the t-shirt, I switch up the jeans, I switch up the boots, but I basically look the same on a day-to-day basis. So here's look number 1, easy to do. Any of your pair of jeans, a pair of booties. I love a white t-shirt with it. You can also do all black. Black t-shirt, black boots, black jacket. And since it is the winter, I want to show you one thing. So to add to the classic look, sometimes in the fall, winter, depending on where you live, some of you live where it's very cold, so you obviously can't pull this trick off. If you live in a place that is just moderately cold, you can throw on your leather jacket. I have this great blanket scarf. This one is now sold out, but something I sometimes do when I'm going out, I just throw that over top. And then I just kind of wear it like that. If it's just a little bit too cold, I can sometimes throw it around and away I go. For look number 2, all I've done is switched out the bottom, so I added a skirt and some booties. So it's a super easy look. Maybe you didn't feel like wearing your jeans, maybe they're too tight today. Maybe you just wanna throw on a nice, long, cozy and chill maxi skirt. There's lots of maxi skirts out there right now, a lot of velvet ones, some really cozy ones. It's a really nice thing to wear Saturday, Sunday, out to brunch, if you can get away with it, to the office with heels or boots. So that is my look number 2. I kept the top, kept the jacket, changed to a longer skirt and some tall booties. For look number 3, I have thrown on one of my favorite long sleeve t-shirt dresses. It is so cute. If I'm running around town, I throw this on. I've paired it with a pair of high top runners. However, if you're a little older and you don't want to be looking as young and chill as this, just throw on a pair of booties. Any tall pair of booties. Actually, with any type of little black dress, you can throw on your leather jacket and a pair of boots. In this case, high tops, the little black dress. For look number 4, remember, you can pair your moto jacket with any of your little vacation dresses. So anywhere that you're traveling to this holiday season, if it's Mexico, if it's California, Hawaii, a lot of the times they are really hot. However, the temperature drops at night and it can get quite cold. I love traveling with my moto jacket. I wear it on the plane with sweatpants and a t-shirt, cute sweatpants, and a graphic tee and high tops. And then when I get there at night, I'll throw it on with any little white dress and a pair of sandals. And it's a great look. Plus, it keeps you warm. So look number 4 is the vacation dress and the moto. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video on the 4 different ways that you can wear your leather jacket. I've got this question all the time. In fact, I pulled this question from one of your comments on my YouTube. So I hope that I addressed it. I gave you guys some ideas. Remember, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. Some variation. It's meant to just spark the idea for you and give you the confidence to know, yeah, you know what? I have a little white dress and I'm gonna throw it on with that dress because now you've seen it and you've seen what it looks like. So remember, when you're on holidays and the rest of us are freezing our butts, throw on your jacket, throw it in your suitcase and bring it to Mexico, Hawaii, and have fun with it. If it's cold where you are, remember, throw in a blanket scarf over top. It looks great. So remember, if you guys like this video, to subscribe, hit like, and write a comment, and I will see you guys next week. Look how good she is for the camera. Look how good you are. I don't want your mouth on me.